Hey everyone, welcome back to Demented Tech Review.
Apple is gearing up for the next-gen iPad Pro in 2025, and it looks like we're getting more than just a chip upgrade. We're talking about a larger display, smaller bezels, and of course, the new and powerful M5. Let's dive into everything we know so far, from the specs, features, and release timeline, to the expected price. Before we jump ahead, here's a quick recap of where we are now. The 2024 iPad Pro brought a massive redesign. It's Apple's thinnest device ever. The 11-inch model is just 5.3 millimeters thick, while the 13-inch model is even thinner at 5.1 millimeters. It also introduced the tandem OLED display, which is, hands down, one of the best-looking screens on any mobile device right now. And powering all that is the M4 chip, which made the 2024 iPad Pro a real performance beast. But hardware wasn't the only thing Apple improved. With iPadOS 26, we're finally seeing the iPad become more of a true workhorse. Features like enhanced multitasking, a revamped Files app, and tools like Preview now support pro-level productivity, bringing the iPad closer to a Mac-like experience. Now let's talk about what's next in 2025. First off, the headline feature, the M5 chip. Leaks suggest it'll include a 10-core CPU and potentially a 12-core GPU, offering a major leap in performance, especially for creatives and professionals. RAM is also expected to get a boost, with 16 GB likely becoming the base, and higher storage models like the 1TB or 2TB versions possibly featuring up to 24 GB RAM. Another exciting change? The display might get slightly bigger. Thanks to thinner bezels, the 11-inch could grow to around 11.5 inches, and the 13-inch might reach 13.5 inches. Don't expect edge-to-edge screens though, some bezel will remain for Face ID sensors and comfortable handling. But overall, the display will feel more immersive. So when's it coming? Leaks point to a fall 2025 release, most likely between late October and early November, alongside updated MacBook Pros with M5 chips. And the price? Good news there, Apple is expected to keep pricing the same as the M4 generation, $999 for the 11-inch model, around $1,300 for the 13-inch model. Give it a few months after launch, and you'll probably find it cheaper at retailers like Amazon or Best Buy. So, the iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be a serious upgrade, with a faster chip, better GPU, possibly more RAM, and a slightly larger display. If you're holding out for the next iPad Pro, 2025 might just be the perfect time to upgrade. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to grab one or if you're waiting for something else, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.